Welcome back to the second segment of the Tax Time Show. In this episode, we are actually discussing about employee benefits and what are the employee benefits and why small business owner should consider giving out benefits to their employees. Break से पहले अजय जी आपने बताया health care को लेके and 401 को लेके. These two are the most popular ones.
Absolutely.
But there are other benefits also.
Sure, Sanjeev ji. Take another one. FSA, flexible spending account, which includes the child care benefits, include the Medicare benefits. The best part is this is not costing anything to the small business. You provide this benefit, it's a pre-tax money. You are not increasing the salary for the employee. So whatever their salary is, part of their salary is held into a particular account, pre-tax, so they don't have to pay the tax on that amount. And this amount can be used for child care or medical expense depending on the type of plan. It's called FSA, flexible spending account.
Right.
Then there are other benefits like soft benefit, parking fees, paid leave. You can give some paid leave to your employees. It could be the family leave, maternity leave. It could be employee discount program. You have a large grocery store. All the employees will get 5% discount, 10% discount. There are several benefits like this that you can have as a small business for your employees.
Exactly. And now today's day and age, another benefit which is becoming very popular, which is called work from home.
That's a great thing. You decide the productivity depending on the type of business. I mean, if you are a grocery store, it's hard to have employees working from home. But if you are a service company, if you are a professional service firm, then a lot of things can be done from home. The other benefit, if somebody wants to go for higher education, you can do the tuition reimbursement.
Yes.
So if the employee is paying the tuition, it's not tax deductible for them. You can work out a deal with the employee. Instead of increasing your salary, how about if I give you the tuition reimbursement? It's tax deductible expense for you, so you are still able to deduct it as an expense as if you were paying the salary, and it's more valuable to the employee because now they don't have to pay tax on this money because this money is paid directly to the service provider. So tuition reimbursement has become very, very popular in these days.
Yes, absolutely. That can be very helpful. But there is some kind of, I wouldn't say misconception, but there is some kind of resistance among the small business owners. They are a bit hesitant in giving out benefits to their employees because they think, you know, their cost is going to be high. How much money they're going to be saving at the end of the day, they are not sure, and they think it might affect the bottom line of the business, meaning the profit line of the business. I want you to give out more information on that part, that why they should give out and how it is actually helpful to them because they are getting tax credits.
Absolutely. Let's talk about that. So a lot of small business, as you rightly said, Sanjeev ji, they're hesitant in giving these benefits. First, they don't understand how it works. Second, the misconception is it will cost them a lot, or they see all these corporate news, the 401k matching plan, assuming that whatever the employee contributes, they must match it. There is no such thing. They don't have to match anything. They can still have the 401k plan. And third, there is a lot of ambiguity about it. They are not sure the administrative expense. All small businesses where you have one man army, one person doing the HR, or typically the CEO or the owner of the company doing everything, they don't want another headache. They don't want another hassle. And that's where the why part comes. How does it help the small business? Why you should give it? Now consider your business. Now you are giving some health insurance benefit at no cost to you. But at the end of the day, when you hire somebody, you say, we have the health insurance plan as well, if you choose to enroll in. If you have an employee who is thinking about leaving you because they found another job, if that another job, the another small business owner is not providing the health insurance, they will have to think about it 2 times. Because now they have to change your plan and go to Cobra and pay a lot more money than what they are paying currently. Remember in our first segment we talked about group health insurance is cheaper than individual health insurance. Similarly, FSA wouldn't cost you anything. So a lot of times, Sanjeev ji, it's more about the hesitation, more about not having the right information. See, for a small business, time is the key. One man army, one person trying to do everything. The last thing this person wants is to get into something that he doesn't understand or she doesn't understand.
Very true.
That's why a lot of small businesses are not giving these benefits, even if they want to, even if they think they should. But just because they're too busy, they're overwhelmed, they don't understand it, and they really don't know how much the bottom line cost or the benefit is going to be.
Bilkul. And the other thing is that there's a lot of competition out there. So almost every single business there is going to be a competitor out there. Small business owners should keep their eyes and ears open in case if their competitors, right, is giving out any employee benefits, then obviously threat is going to be there that what my employee leaves and goes and work for XYZ or ABC.
Absolutely.
So they should also keep an eye on it to see if whatever benefits your competitor is giving out, you should try to match that.
The idea is, with this segment, you just need to note down the potential small business benefit that you think makes sense. And then in our next segment, we'll talk about how you should go about finding the bottom line. If you know that it's not going to cost you anything, there is no administrative hassle, and it can add some value for your business, why would you not do it?
True. Very true. With that note, we're going to take a break. Once again, viewers, if you have any question and, of course, regarding employee benefits, and if you want to know what kind of benefits out there, if you are the business owner, whether you have 1 employee or 3 employees or 10 employees, please get some good advice from Mr. Ajay Kumar. You can send an email, texttime@tvasiausa.com. That's the email ID. And of course, he's based here in state of New Jersey. Sai CPA Services is the firm that he's associated with it. And then he will give you right direction and the right guidance that you need to know. When we come back, we're going to talk about how this employee benefits can put in a place for you in your business books. That's all coming up right after these messages.